Ready?
Yeah.
Give me a 3, 2, 1. Hey everybody, Chad at Turner's Warehouse, and I wanted to share a quick story with you. A couple years ago, let me learn how to talk. A couple years ago, I got this new style wallet where it opens up and there's bills, and it came with this lanyard thing on it. And I thought to myself, there has to be something better out there. So we developed the Bead Kit. And what you're going to see here on this model of a wallet, where your cards go in, is a cool bead, not just some rope. And the Bead Kit can be made for stuff like this. You can also take a knife, and you can make a cool bead. See how this is a pretty cool choya bead? Well, this is a cooler choya bead made with the new Bead Kit. And why is it cooler, you ask? I'm glad you asked. Let me tell you why. Because it comes in brass, solid brass, and solid stainless steel, and it's an 8mm tube, so you can put your paracord or rope, or you can make this into a necklace, like a cool beaded necklace, or maybe a bracelet chain, anklet chain. I mean, whatever you want. This thing is cool. Look how cool it looks on paracord. It slides up and down the paracord, no problem. You got 8mm hole. Now you're probably saying to yourself, those are just wood and resin. What if I want something really cool, like a watch part bead? Well, yeah, you can do that too. Check this out. Here's one I just cast. Look how little and tiny and cute it is. It's ready to be made into this cool watch part bead. So if you want to get a not a watch part bead kit, but if you want to get a bead kit, you can get it in stainless steel or brass. They cost $3.49 for this little cute kit. Or you can get the starter set for $9.99. It comes with 2 kits, the bushings, and some paracord. So check out the Bead Kit. It's pretty cool. I know some people are using them for light poles and poles on their blinds, which is kind of cool because then you could match woods and stuff. Or if you have cool resins. The other thing is, check this out. So let's say you were going to make this out of a blank, and you were going to use a 6-inch or a 5-inch blank. You could get 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 5 out of this. Maybe on some blanks you could get 6, but the Bead Kit's pretty cool. It can be a lot more than just a bead. Check it out. Thanks.